Welcome back to Tech Block DR. We really appreciate you coming back into the channel. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and smack that subscribe button down so you can keep receiving more videos on this on your YouTube feed. Also, please consider liking all of our videos, thumbs up in our video, and hope to have you sticking around on our channel, subscribing and all that good stuff. Today's video is going to be a review of the Sengled Wi-Fi smart bulbs. We already did a video on these bulbs. It was an unboxing video. If you haven't checked that video out, I'm gonna leave a link in the description so you can check it out on your own. For now, just watch the review video, enjoy it, and thumbs up and subscribe. See you in a couple of seconds. Okay, so some quick notes about the Sengled before I get into the review itself. They come in 2 packs. Well, the pack I bought came into a 2-pack. So 2 bulbs and a hub for $40, which is not bad. So after that, if you want to put more bulbs into your system, into your house, it will be $10 per bulb, which is not bad. That's pretty affordable for any gadget. I mean, if you want to have smart lighting for $10 per bulb, come on, man. Come on, what are you doing with your life? I mean, seriously, this is the way to go, in my opinion. Okay, I wasn't too fond about the hub thing, but the hub is not as intrusive as I thought it was going to be. So I got it into a corner and it works perfectly. And also this is very important to know, each bulb that came into the 2-pack has 810 lumens. So that's a lot of lumen. They're pretty bright. They work flawlessly. They integrate flawlessly with Alexa and the Google Home. They work perfectly. So right now I'm gonna show you the bulb setup and how they actually work with Alexa. Okay. Okay, guys. So I have. Oh, there's my cat, Tokyo. What's up, guy? Want to be in the video? Okay. All right. All right. All right. It's too much. Okay. So I got my bulbs set up in the patio. I got 2 of them in 2 of my pillars here and the other pillars. So I got them inside this little protector. Well, not protector, but it's like a deco kind of thing in the patio. And they're inside, as you can see. Hopefully you can see. Yeah. I placed them inside here. You can see the brand Sengled. And I have the hub all the way inside my house in the living room. Okay. So now I'll show you how it works with the Alexa and all that. Go ahead and turn on the bulbs using our Echo. And so you can have more or less an idea of the distance. The Echo is located probably 30 feet away from the bulbs and 30 feet away from the hub. So it's all connected through Wi-Fi. So this will send out the message to the hub, and the hub will relay it to the bulbs, and the bulbs will then relay it to the app, so we can have the current status of the bulbs, which is awesome.
Very simple explanation.
And turn these bulbs on. Alexa, turn on the patio. Thank you.
Of course.
Perfectly done, perfectly executed. Now let's see the bulbs lit up. Hey guy, what's going on, buddy? Hey, you want to eat the camera, don't you? All right, so here it is. Here's the bulb. It's actually lit up. We can dim the smart bulb. We can turn it off. We can do whatever we want with it, as long, not whatever we want, but anything that a light bulb is capable of. The thing is, they work. They perfectly work. The hub, in my opinion, you guys know my take on the hub. It's not. I don't like the hub, but if it's necessary, then it's necessary. What the hell? It's not intrusive. You can stick it up in any corner of your house and forget about it. And that's it. Well, that's about it for the video, guys. I mean, if you like the video, Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to the video, and hit the ring icon so you can get notified about future videos and all that good stuff. So, peace out.
Shit.